temptation, but he just can't see. She gives him loving that his body can handle, but all he can say is, baby,